Welcome to my channel. My name is Ayiki, and on this program we're going to be learning how to play this beautiful drum. Okay, now this drum is one unique drum from Africa, I can tell you, and it's from the West Africa. I mean, it's from Nigeria and the Southwest. Everything is west about this drum. Yes. Now, but you know, it's coming out from a family which I'm going to be revealing to us very, very soon. On this episode, on this program, I'm going to be teaching us a lot of things about this drum and every other drum. But first, let's touch some families and let's try to see what goes up, what comes around, how they discover some of these things. I'm going to be revealing after this break. Thank you. I'll be right back. You're welcome back. Yeah, like I said I'm going to reveal some families to us. In the history of drumming, there are so many stories and different things that we've heard. But okay, let me just say one of the few ones that I picked is the first drum that ever existed in Yoruba land is Akitipa. And Akitipa is a drum for hunters. I was told, or I read, I got to know, I discovered, whatever, that hunters, they've been hunting, they've killed so many animals, and they actually wanted to just make themselves happy, and they just took their axe and they dig some hole in the stem of a tree, and you know, they just made a hole and they took one of the animals and peeled the skin and put it on it, and they started playing and they enjoyed themselves. That was the first time a drum ever happened. So, and ever since then there's been different things that has been coming up. They do this GEDWAY, do this very different drums. But most importantly, don't let me bore you with too much of history. Don't worry, our history on African drum is still coming. But for now, let me touch some drum families. In Yoruba land, we value, in Africa, in Nigeria, we value family so much. And every other thing like that, family thing goes to everything that we have. For instance, these drums, they have mother, they have father. You understand? So, and we have different families. There is what we call Bata family. In Bata family, we have Iyailu Bata, we have Omele Bata. That's Bata family. We have Iyalu Bata, we have Omele Bata, we have Ishaju Bata, and every one of them, when they go out, they bring something very, very interesting, like some of the clips I'm going to be showing you. Alright, now we have Dundun family. In Dundun family, we have Iyalu, that is called Dundun, is that one that has Shaworo, and after that we have Keri, we have Kanango, we have Ishaju, we have Gangan, we have Adamo, we have Omele Gangan in that family. Now, they are in sizes, different sizes. Iyalu Dundun is the biggest, followed by Keri. Sometimes Keri can be bigger than even Iyalu, but their work differs. Now, Keri is just like Omele. It gives background rhythm. It has just one tone at a time, so you can tune it different way, but it gives one tone at a time, especially. And they use both hand and stick to play it. That's why Yoruba says Igbaju Igbamu ni Keri Ibaro de. You understand? So they use both hand and stick just to play the drum. We have Konongo, we have Gangan. Gangan is common in Ilorin. Adamo is the regular one that we know. Many people call it this one. Most people call it gangan, but for the purpose of this tutorial, it's originally called Adamu or Apala. But popularly people call it gangan. The name is Adamu. Alright, now after this one you have Omele gangan, the smallest one, and it has Omeliako and Omeliabo. So much to talk about in Dodo family. Then after that we have Sakara family. In Sakara family too, we have Iyalu, we have Atele, we have Atero, we have Omeliako, we have Omeliabo. In Sakara family too, we have Akuba family. In Akuba family we have Iyalu, which we call Eji. Then we have Omeliako, Omeliabo. You understand? It varies. We have 4, we have 5, we have 6. You understand? Sets. But the ideal, the primary one is 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi. That's Eji, Omeliako, Omeliabo. Alright. After that, we have Shekere too. Shekere has their families too. They have Iya Shekere. Iya Shekere is the one they use cowries for. Cowries, you can, in Yoruba land, you majorly see it in the palace. Like Alaafin Oyo and different kings like that. Yeah, we have it, few people. It's very expensive to make because they made it with money. So, in history, it's only Alaafin that can do that kind of thing. So Alaafin did it and they used money to do Shekere, in which they play to entertain him. Alright. So after Shekere, we have Agogo, that we call Kong, and it brings out beautiful sound. You see Kong everywhere. Iya, that's mother, that's all the children that follows it. Okay. So after all this one, you see that we have different families. These are few drums that I could really just lay my hands on. We have Ikoko that they call Akpiri in Ekiti. We have Bembe. We have different one. We have Samba. We have Konga. We have Djembe from Ghana and from Cuba. All around, different drums in Africa, but these few ones that I have is actually from the general house of Yorubas that you can easily come across. We'll be right back so that we can put our hands on the drum. All right, welcome back. Now it's time to don't let us waste too much time on this thing. This drum is called, what did I call it? I call it Adamo. This is Adamo. They call it Gongon. I'm not saying you are wrong, but the name of this one is Adamo. Gongon is a bit longer and it's common in Ilorin, Kwara State. Okay, so this is Adamo. What are the features? This is Akpa. Akpa. This is Osan. This is Osan. This one is Osan. This is Akpa. This black one is called Egi. It's called Egi. This tiny one is made of animal skin too. This tiny one is called Ogan, and the function is to hold the face of the drum and this Osan, the string, together so that it can produce the required sound. Now we have our Ojilu. This is the face of the drum. We have our Ojilu. Then we have Igilu, which is the frame. And this is your tuner. This is your tuner. This one is used to tune the drum, just to bring the required sound, the first note, do sound. Without this one, the drum might just lose some tune. You might not get the first do. So that's just it. And this one is called Congo. Some people call it Okpa. This is the magic worker. Without this one, you will not get the right thing from the drum. So this one, everything works together, and this completes your drum. Okay, so if you want to play your drum, this is how you hang your drum. Your if you are lefty, you might have to hang it on your right hand. But for me, I use both hands, but not on talking drum. Talking drum, I use right hand to play it. Okay, so you hang your drum like this, place your on your shoulder, then this hand goes here. This hand serves as a stopper. Then you hold your drum like this. Now this place must be V on this place. You know, this is like hourglass. This frame is like hourglass. It's like hourglass. So your hand must be in the middle here. That's the only way you can bring out all the sound, all the notes that you need to bring out. So your hand must form V inside that small, tiny location there. Okay, look at this. So your hand goes like this. This is how you place your drum. So you can play your drum. Okay, we have 3 major notes. For beginners, we have 3 major notes. For me, I have all the tonics of do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You think I'm lying? Wait now, hold on. You will soon reach there. Okay, now this is do. If you strike this one now, it gives you the first note. Do. If you put your hand, just rest your hand on it. It gives you re. Just a little pressure, just a little one, just press small. It gives you mi. So simple. It's that simple. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's do that again. Just keep doing it. It's not hard. If you are not getting it, make sure you follow the rule. You raise your arm, do. You put your arm, no pressure, re. Just little pressure. It gives you mi like that. So you raise your arm, do. Put your arm, re. Little pressure, mi. Raise your arm, do. Put your arm, re. Little pressure. You get? So now, if you have gotten that, just do it like you need to do it like minimum of 13 times. Minimum of 13 times. You have to do it like 13 good times. Do it. Are you done? Now if you have done that, now reverse it. You get it? Yes. That it is. That is just how it is. Now, my assignment for you is for you to create 10 notes. 10 different things with do, re, mi. So, what I mean is, you see, it's just 3 notes. That's 1. That's 2. So I've given you 2. You can now rearrange it and do something like mi, do, re, do, mi. Just 3 syllables. 3 syllables like that. I've given you 1 extra one. I'm not going to play it. Just do, re, mi, rearrange it and send WhatsApp your note, how you played it, just like 10 seconds, 15 seconds to the WhatsApp, to the number that is going to show you on your screen. That way I can monitor what you are doing. Or you just read comment below, subscribe to this channel so that we can keep giving you content. I'll see you next week. Thank you. My name is Ayiki and I choose drumming.